One wrong database operation can corrupt thousands of records. But transactions give you a superpower, the ability to undo everything. That superpower is called ROLLBACK. ROLLBACK key is a SQL command that undoes all changes made during the current transaction. When you execute ROLLBACK, the database reverts to its exact state from before the transaction began. Every insert, UP date, and delete you made? Gone. It's like hitting the undo button on your entire transaction. The database restores all modified rows, deleted records come back, and new insertions disappear completely. Every transaction ends in one of two ways, commit or ROLLBACK. Commit saves your changes permanently to the database, making them visible to other users. ROLLBACK discards your changes completely, as if the transaction never happened. Think of transactions like a draft mode. You can make changes freely, then either publish them with commit or trash them with ROLLBACK. A ROLLBACK shines in error handling scenarios. Imagine transferring money between bank accounts. You deduct from one account and add to another. If the second operation fails, you must ROLLBACK to avoid losing money. Without ROLLBACK, your data becomes inconsistent. Smart applications wrap risky operations in transactions, and ROLLBACK when errors occur, guaranteeing that either all changes succeed or none do. Remember these key points. ROLLBACK undoes all transaction changes. It restores the database to the pre-transaction state. Transactions end with either commit to save or ROLLBACK to discard. And ROLLBACK is essential for error handling and maintaining data integrity. Our ROLLBACK is your safety net for undoing transaction changes and keeping data consistent. Master this command, and you'll handle database errors like a pro. Want more SQL interview prep? Subscribe and keep practicing. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.